guys, I'm Noor Fun. How are you all? I hope you are doing well. Today, I'm making you all favorite jellies. Oh yeah, let's start. I take 2 flavors on jelly powder. This is strawberry flavor. This is mango flavor. Let's start to make jellies. Yay! I take some hot water in oval shape pot. Yay! This oval shape is very cool and good. First of all, I'm this powder on this oval shape pot. Let's start. Yeah, yes. This color is very cool and pink and red. Let's start this one powder. Let's start yellow mango flavor powder on oval shape pot with. Okay, let's mix it. Let's mix is jelly. It's done, friends. This color are very cool. This red, this yellow. I like strawberry flavor. It's very tasty strawberry flavor. Strawberry is my favorite and strawberry flavor is my favorite. I'm taste this. First of all, strawberry taste jelly. Let's wait our this freeze or jelly. It's jelly. Let's wait. Guys, jelly is done. Ready to eat. Let's make some shapes. I'm using foot triangle and triangle shape. I'm using some circle shape. I'm using some square shape. I'm using some rectangular shape. I made some shapes for jelly. This square, this is circle, this is triangle. This is rectangular. Guys, this is very yummy jellies. Let's taste this. Guys, strawberry jelly is very yummy. Let's taste mango jelly. Guys, mango jelly is very tasty. This strawberry jelly and mango jelly, two jellies, tasty. Subscribe my channel and like my video. I love you all. See you in the next video.